Hi everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to place for versatile and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a tool that's made a huge impact for many of our clients, the Excel Route Finder for Delivery Optimization. This tool is designed to help you optimize routes with multiple stops, saving you time and making your deliveries or travel plans more efficient. If you're a delivery driver, a logistics manager, a salesperson visiting clients, or anyone who needs to plan an efficient route, this tool is for you. It tackles the classic challenge known as the traveling salesperson problem by finding the shortest and most efficient route between multiple locations. Here's how the Excel Route Finder works. It uses the power of the Google Maps API to calculate the optimal travel route for your stops. You'll get a step-by-step guide for your day that minimizes driving time and distance. Perfect for delivery optimization or route planning. Let me walk you through it. Start by entering your starting point and ending point. These can be the same, like your office or home base, but they don't have to be. Then, paste in your list of stops for the day. Don't worry about the order. The tool will automatically organize them for maximum efficiency. Once your stops are set, simply click the Calculate Optimal Route button. The tool does the rest. It will optimize your route to reduce travel time and mileage, show you the distance and driving time between each stop, provide the total miles and time for the entire route. Here's the best part. Once your route's calculated, you can view it directly on Google Maps, which will guide you stop by stop. You can even copy the route link to share with someone else or send it to your phone for on-the-go navigation. It's as easy as that. We've been creating tools like this for over 16 years. And during that time, more than 7,500 customers have relied on our tools to simplify their work. Every week, I hear from users who tell me how much time they've saved and how this tool has helped them get more done with less effort. We've also earned over 125 five-star reviews on Google from real users who love what these tools have done for their business. If you're ready to get started, you can download the Excel Route Finder using the link in the description below. This version supports up to 20 stops, as per Google Maps API limits. If you need to handle more stops or require custom features, let us know. We're happy to create a solution tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or need help setting up the tool, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us by phone, email, or live chat on our website. And yes, we personally answer every call. No answering machines, no bots, just real support when you need it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tools and tips. Until next time, happy routing.